Your small bedroom doesn't have to feel cramped or boring. With just a few design tricks, you can turn it into a peaceful, cozy retreat. A space that feels bigger, brighter, and truly yours. And stay until the very end of this video, because you'll see stunning bedroom makeover images that will inspire your own transformation. Beautiful examples of how small spaces can look luxurious, calm, and perfectly styled. If you love cozy interiors, smart small space design, and aesthetic bedroom ideas, don't forget to subscribe to Calm and Cozy Homes. Every week, we bring you decorating inspiration, makeover ideas, and home styling secrets designed for compact spaces with big potential. Now, let's begin your small bedroom transformation. The way your furniture is arranged defines how your space feels. In small bedrooms, layout is everything. Start by positioning your bed where it gets the most natural light but doesn't block windows or doors. Centering the bed on the main wall usually creates balance and flow, making the room feel intentional rather than cramped. Avoid oversized pieces. Choose low, streamlined furniture that visually opens up the room. And keep pathways clear. Even a few extra inches can make a big difference. Lighting completely transforms how your bedroom feels. Natural light is your best friend, so skip heavy curtains and go for light, sheer fabrics that let sunlight flow in. If your room lacks windows, layer your artificial light sources. Add a warm table lamp, wall sconces, or LED strips behind your headboard for that ambient glow. Warm light makes your space inviting. Cool light makes it feel sterile. Always choose bulbs labeled warm white or soft white. Those tones bring out textures and create that cozy retreat vibe. Your color palette can make or break a small bedroom. Lighter shades, like white, cream, light gray, or beige, reflect light and make your walls seem to expand. Pair them with soft natural tones like sand, taupe, or sage green for calm and depth. Avoid high contrast walls that visually shrink the space. Instead, create layers of neutrals, walls, bedding, and decor that flow naturally. For personality, add subtle pops of color through pillows, artwork, or rugs. In small bedrooms, space is premium. That's why multifunctional furniture is key. A bed with storage drawers underneath can replace an entire dresser. Floating nightstands or wall shelves free up floor space and keep things minimal. Look for furniture that blends function and beauty, simple lines, light wood tones, and compact proportions. The less visual weight your pieces have, the larger your room will appear. Texture is what gives your room that designer touch. Combine linen sheets, knitted throws, and soft rugs to create depth and comfort. Even in a small space, this layering adds dimension and warmth. Use materials like rattan, cotton, or wood for a natural, calming aesthetic. The goal isn't to fill the room, but to make it feel rich and inviting. Clutter is the fastest way to make a small room feel smaller. Start by decluttering your surfaces. One candle, one book, one vase per area is enough. Hide cables, move unused decor out, and create a calm visual flow. Use storage baskets under your bed, drawer organizers, and hidden compartments. Remember, visual simplicity equals mental clarity. Nothing refreshes a small bedroom like a touch of green. Add small indoor plants like peace lilies, snake plants, or dried florals if your lighting is low. They balance modern interiors and bring nature inside, instantly making your space feel alive. Even one plant can soften sharp edges and introduce calm. A large mirror reflects light and doubles your visual space. Place it opposite a window or lamp to amplify brightness. It's one of the simplest, most affordable tricks to make your small bedroom feel open. You can use mirrored closet doors or a floor mirror leaning against the wall for a more modern touch. A cozy retreat feels personal. Add framed photos, artwork, or decor pieces that tell your story. Choose soft, neutral decor that blends with your palette but still adds emotion. Maybe a piece of art above the bed, or a candle tray with your favorite scent. The secret to timeless design is restraint, just enough detail to feel alive, but not cluttered. Scent sets the mood of your room. Add a diffuser with vanilla, lavender, or sandalwood to create a calming atmosphere. Before bed, light a candle or use a linen spray for that subtle, inviting scent that completes your retreat. Now it's time to see everything in action. Here are beautiful bedroom makeovers that show how small spaces can look incredibly elegant, functional, and relaxing. Notice the lighting, textures, and thoughtful details. Each photo tells a story of balance, simplicity, and style. Your space deserves that same sense of calm. So take these ideas, adapt them, and make your bedroom the peaceful retreat you deserve. Before you go, subscribe to Calm and Cozy Homes and turn on notifications. We post new videos every week with cozy design inspiration, small apartment ideas, and home makeover guides to help you create a life that feels beautiful. Thanks for watching, and now, enjoy the cozy bedroom inspiration images waiting for you at the end.